Okay, sound increases as you go forward and goes backwards. It's neutral. Here's the sound. Oh my god, what the hell is that? This is a full right turn. Channel 4 full to the right. Activates the tug horn. If you go neutral and just halfway, you got a woman that's settled on, having fun. Then you return to neutral, then you go a little bit to the left, you hear a man. Very weird. I don't know why you don't have seagulls instead of a man laughing. Can't get the guy to say anything. Say after 20 seconds we'll turn off. Gotta put on neutral to activate the sound. Tug horn. Women laughing. Very weird. That's the story. All right.